Oh, shoot.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of How We Do It. Let's see what we got today. Oh snap. Got the chicken breast. You know what sounds good? Spicy chicken sandwich. Let's get it. Alright, I got my freshly washed chicken breast out. I placed it in a Ziploc bag. Nothing too fancy, you see it? We're gonna take our mallet right here and we're gonna pound out the chicken breast to where it's an even layer. The reason why we're gonna do that is it cuts down on the cooking time, and we wanna make sure when it gets fried, it's fried and cooked all the way through evenly. After I flattened out the chicken, I like to clean it up. And we're gonna add some salt and pepper, and then we're gonna make our marinade. For our marinade, this is what we're gonna use. We're gonna use some pickle juice, some Louisiana hot sauce, and some buttermilk. We're gonna mix these ingredients together into a bag, put our chicken breasts in there, and put them in the fridge for about 4 hours. While the chicken's hanging out, I got some flour and cornstarch I mixed together in a bowl. We're gonna take these seasonings and we're gonna put them in a blender and mix it with the cornstarch and flour. Got them all in there. Set them over to the blender. Once it's all mixed up, I'm gonna dump it in the flour and the cornstarch, mix it all together, and then we're gonna start coating our chicken breasts. Once you got your chicken all battered up, you're gonna take them over to the fryer. Let them fry for about 5-7 minutes. After your chicken comes out the fryer, I made some clarified butter and put some of this Tabasco scorpion sauce in there. You're gonna take your chicken and dip it in there. Pull it out and let it drain. Man, I need to stop playing with y'all. Got that spicy chicken sandwich, Swiss cheese, lettuce, tomato, on a brioche bun. You know you gotta have them fries off to the side.